let's look at how to log an extra service. An extra service is exactly as the name implies. It's a service that you provide to the customer that was not part of what you went out there to do. For example, if you're cleaning the pool and the customer says, could you fix this leaking pipe, that is an extra service. It's not part of what you would normally do to clean the pool. Okay, normally the business will set up a list of extra services that you can record when you're at a customer's site. So all you're going to do is select from that list. So to begin, we're going to go to the extra services button and just tap it. But before you can do that, you must click the start button. You notice the start button is not clicked. The color is not dark. What would happen if I click the extra services button? Let's just do that. You will get an error message. So to do anything, you must first click the start button. So click the start and notice the color changes. And now we're going to click extra services, and it takes me to a list of my extra services. Now you'll notice there are two different lists. That's because you can log two extra services when you're on site, and you'll notice that some services may have a time length attached to them. So you would choose the one that's appropriate for the amount of time that you spent doing that particular task. So if, for example, you spent 15 minutes fixing a broken pipe, then all you would do is tap fix broken pipe 15 minutes, and you'll notice that it shows you up at the top what your selection is. If you have a second one to do, you go down to the bottom and you scroll and you find it. Let's say, for example, you backwash the D filters. You just simply tap it and it'll show the extra service there in the window. When you're done making your selections, you just tap the finish button and it'll take you back to the customer screen. And that's how you log extra services.